So ganyan po siya. Ready to check out it right now. So this is boxer po yung sold ko right now. Medium size. Ayan po, for XS boy. So hope with the audio viewers guys, make sure gamitin niyo po yung ating platform vouchers and comment lang po kayo right now kung ano po yung gusto niyo mga products dahil guys kapag nag-end yung live natin is babalik po sila lahat sa kanilang SRP price. Okay? So how about the other viewers guys? Make sure makapag-check out kayo today kasi sayang po talaga yung discounts and promotions po natin na dito na po sa live makukuha po. Okay, thank you very much, XS Boy. Thank you very much po. Ano po gusto mo? Para sa ating ko din. Para kay XS Boy. Okay, so thank you very much, XS Boy. For a while, guys, I'm just gonna drink water lang. Okay. Yeah, CPR. So, hello kay Mines. Welcome dito sa live natin right now. Welcome dito sa live guys. And sa mga viewers natin na hindi pa po nakakapag-check out today, make sure guys makapag-check out kayo kasi we have here lots of discounts and promotions. And thank you very much Sir Charles. So right now guys, last two na lang guys. Ayan, TikTok na tayo. Last two na lang. Thank you very much, Access Boy. Check ko Access Boy. Double check ko right now. Ayan, thank you very much, Access Boy. Dapating na yung order ko 3-in-1, ang ganda. Thank you very much po na Rante. For Access Boy, saan ka po nag-check out? Di po kasi siya pumapasok sa amin. For Access Boy. Hindi pa siya pumapasok sa amin po.